Good morning, children. How are you? This is Navin sir, math teacher of Kagatiya Public School. Yesterday we discussed about rotational symmetry. Today we will discuss some problems on symmetry. So here the problems on symmetry. First problem, check whether the given figures are symmetric or not. Draw the line of symmetry as well. So here the given different types of figures they given. So these figures have they are symmetric or not, we have to check, and then we have to write the line of symmetry. So here, what is this? Trapezium. Yes, this is a trapezium. So trapezium is a symmetrical figure. Yes, it is a trapezium is a symmetrical figure. So like this, we can draw line of symmetry. Yeah. So yes, it is a symmetric figure, and like this we can draw symmetry, line of symmetry, which are two parts are equal. So this is a bucket. So a bucket, yes, a bucket is a symmetric shape. So like this we can, yes, it is a symmetrical figure. Like this we should draw the vertical line of symmetry, which is divided into two equal parts. So now this is a irregular shape. So it is not a symmetrical figure. So we can't draw a symmetrical line. So look at here, this is an example of a tree. So here, see this figure? Yes, this figure has a symmetry. This figure is example to symmetry. Then, so look at here, I am drawing like this vertical line of symmetry. Like this. Divided into two equal parts, and both are coincide with each other. Now this is heart shape. So yes, this is a figure. A figure has a symmetric figure. So like this horizontally we can draw a line of symmetry. Yes, this figure is a line of symmetry, and we draw horizontal line of symmetry. Here we draw, yes, it is a we draw vertical line of symmetry, and this, so it is also a shape. This figure, it has a symmetric figure. See, look at like this. Like this we can divide as a symmetrical figure, and also like this also we can divide as a symmetrical figure. Both horizontal and vertical method of line of symmetry, we can divide this figure into line symmetry. So this figure is a symmetrical figure. We divided this figure into horizontal line of symmetry and also vertical line of symmetry. So here this is a clock. So it has a symmetrical figure? No. So the numbers are there. Here we can't divide as a symmetrical figure. If we given empty circle as a circle, yes, we can divide it a symmetrical figure. But here a clock, the clock we can't divide as a symmetrical figure. So it is not a symmetrical figure. Here this is not a symmetrical figure, and this is also not a symmetrical figure. Remaining this trapezium, bucket, example of tree, and this shape, and this is also shape of remaining a symmetrical figure, and then we drawn as a vertical and horizontal line of symmetry. Second problem, draw the possible number of line symmetry of following figures. So here they given geometrical figures: equilateral triangle, rhombus, isosceles triangle, and circle they given. For these geometrical figures, you should draw the possible number of line symmetry. So how many number of line symmetry we can draw? We should draw that many number of line symmetry. So here equilateral triangle. Yesterday in rotational symmetry we discussed the equilateral triangle has a order of rotation is 3. Then we can draw 3 number of line symmetry. So like this, first we should draw as a vertically line symmetry, and in rotational symmetry the equilateral triangle coincide with itself at 120 degrees, at 240 degrees, and at 360 degrees. So if we rotate this triangle like this, so where at 120 degrees again it will coincide with itself. Then here from this vertex like this we can draw one more line symmetry. After 120 again it will rotate this triangle at 240 degrees, again it will coincide with itself. Then like this one more line symmetry we can draw. So the equilateral triangle has 3 line symmetry, 3 lines of symmetry. The equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Now rhombus, in rhombus all sides are equal. So here we can draw vertically, we can divide the rhombus into 2 equal figures, as well as horizontally also we can divide into 2 equal parts as a rhombus. So the rhombus has a 2 line of symmetry. The rhombus has 2 lines of symmetry. And next isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle nothing but eyes. We have 2 eyes. Then your triangle with 2 sides are equal. Then it is called as an isosceles triangle. Any 2 sides, nothing but here. Look at here. These 2 sides are equal. Then we can divide this isosceles triangle by using vertical line of symmetry. So the isosceles triangle has only 1 line of symmetry. The isosceles triangle we can divide into 2 parts as a vertical line of symmetry. Then the isosceles triangle has only 1 line of symmetry. Now next circle. So this circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Why? Because if we rotate this at every angle it will match with itself. Then the circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Like this we can draw infinite lines of symmetry. More number of line symmetry we can draw, infinite of line symmetry. So the circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Infinite lines of symmetry. So here the equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. The rhombus has 2 lines of symmetry. Isosceles triangle is 1 line of symmetry, and the circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Third problem, complete the figure. These figures we have to complete such that the dotted line, this dotted line we have to imagine is a line symmetry. So we have to complete the figures. These figures we have to complete. This dotted line we have to imagine as a line symmetry. Nothing but we have to draw the image of this figure. We have to complete this figure. So like this. See, look at here. This figure. Like this up to here. It is in rectangular shape. And then after some slant line. And then after like this joint. Then so this is a line of symmetry. This is the actual part the given, and remaining part we draw. Now it is a symmetrical figure. Now look at here. So this is also half of the part the given, and the given this dotted line has a line symmetry, and remaining part we should draw. So like this. It is a somewhat in slant, then after straight, then after slant. Now look at this. These two shapes are both are coincide with each other. Then it is a symmetrical figure. Now third one. Here this is the diagram is like this that given, and this is the dotted line. We have to draw the remaining part like this. And then after like this we have to draw the remaining part of the diagram. Like fourth one, like this we should draw. Like this we should draw. So these two parts are both are coincide with each other. Then this figure has a symmetrical figure. Like this we should complete the figures by using the dotted line. We should imagine that the dotted line as a line of symmetry. Fourth problem, which of the following have rotational symmetry of order more than 1? So here they given different types of figures. Which figures have rotational symmetry order is more than 1? So look at here. This is a circular shape. So this shape rotate like this for further rotation. Yes, it has a, say look at here. Angles are 90 degrees. Both all our angles are 90 degrees. If we rotate like this at 90 degrees, this circular shape is coincide with itself. Then in total protractor, in total rotation 360 degrees is equal to 4 times. Then this figure has a order of rotational symmetry is 4. Then what they are asking, which of the following figures have rotational symmetry more than 1? Then this figure has a rotational symmetry more than 1. So it has order of symmetry, it has an order of symmetry more than 1. And second problem, same over here, triangle. So all sides are equal to triangle is. Then if we rotate like this, clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, if we rotate we will get the same as this 3 times at 120 degrees, at 240 degrees, and at 360 degrees. Then order of rotational symmetry of a triangle, equilateral triangle is 3. Then it has the equilateral triangle is triangle also order of symmetry is more than 1. So it has a order of symmetry in more than 1. Order of symmetry is more than 1. And look at here third figure. So first let us rotate it. This shape like this rotate it. Then it will come like this. Again this shape rotate like this. Again it will come like this. Look at here, and like this it will come. Again rotate like this. So it will be like this. Again this shape rotate like this towards to that side. So after rotating 360 degrees, complete rotation, it coincides with itself. Then this figure has an order of rotation is 1. This figure is order of rotation is 1. Then it has an order of more than 1. So it is No, this figure does not have an order of rotation more than 1. Why? Because this figure has an order of rotation 1. Now letter H. So here let us rotate letter H. First line is this H letter is rotate like this. Then it will be like this. Like this it will be. Again go for further rotation. It will be again it will be stand vertically. Yes, it came to original position. And again go for further rotation. Again it will be like this. Again go for further rotation. Yes, it will be like this. Then in complete 360 degrees rotation, the letter H order of rotation is how many? 2. So the figure is this letter H is also have a rotation symmetry more than 1 order of rotations. So it has order of symmetry. It has order of symmetry more than 1. So here circular shape and triangle shape and alphabet letter H, these three are order of rotations more than 1, but this figure has a order of rotation only 1. Homework problems on symmetry. First one, draw any 5 objects which have a line of symmetry. So you should draw 5 objects. Those objects they should have a line of symmetry. And second one, draw any 5 objects which are not symmetric. So again you should draw 5 more objects. You should draw. They should not be as a symmetric figures. Thank you. Keep watching.